Hi everybody, I hope you're doing okay. We're continuing on with our work. Remember, our whole goal here, our main project is a landscape with a building. So we're learning how to draw buildings right now, and we're using some of the things that we've already learned about space and about forms, and we're adding to it now. We're going to learn how to do a two-point linear perspective box, or boxes in this case. We're going to practice three more like we did with the 1 point. Just like with the 1 point perspective, which we did previously, if you haven't already done this, you need to do it before you move on to our next one. We're going to have a horizon line with vanishing points. We're going to have two vanishing points on this one. And instead of having them where we're just seeing the front face straight on, we're going to see a corner with two faces going back to the vanishing points at the horizon line. So just like we did with the previous one, you want to draw for yourself a horizon line that's about halfway down from top to bottom and straight across the paper so that it's parallel to the top and the bottom of the paper. At the left-hand side, label it HL for horizon line. At the right, EL for eye level. Remember, the horizon line is always at your eye level. And then please put in on the horizon line somewhere about an inch or so from the outer edge, one little dot right on the horizon line, and label it VP for vanishing point. We're going to be doing 2-point linear perspective, and we're doing 3 boxes and 2 points. So we need a second vanishing point. About an inch from the right-hand side, put another vanishing point and label it VP, label this one VP. To remind yourself that vanishing point is abbreviated to VP for vanishing point, like HL for horizon line, EL for eye level. Make sure you have all your labels on there before you do any of the work. At the bottom of the page, please, before you do the work, write your full name, period number, and 2-point perspective. All right? I'll remind you at the end of all of this to do those two if you forget, but that's what you should do before you do anything more. So now go to the next video after you've got all of this all set up and labeled.